Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now I'm getting ready for a birthday party and I thought why not jump on here and get ready with you guys, or should I say you guys get ready with me. I'm about to do my hair and I washed my hair last night and didn't apply any products, which is so bad. Right now it's looking very dry and crunchy, but I'll be using a little bit of my oil True Texture hair care. If you guys are interested, the link is down below. My camera just doesn't want to focus right now. Yes, so this is what I'm using along with this curl and milk detangler from African Pride. So I'm gonna do a few drops of the oil, and I don't want to do too much. I don't want my hair to be, you know, oily or anything. Just need to moisturize it a little bit before applying my wig. And I have this weird part in the middle of my head, y'all. Look at this. I don't know where it came from. I'm wondering if it was here there all along. I never wear my hair in the middle part, so I just find it weird to have this weird part in the middle of my hair. Just gonna apply a little bit of the moisturizer. If you guys hear anything in the background, I'm doing laundry. Well, actually my sister is doing laundry. But if you hear any beeping or any noise, that's the washing machine. The party starts at 5:30 and right now it's something after 4, so I know I'm not gonna make it on time, but I'm still rushing. I want to make it for at least 6 o'clock or 6:30, so I'm on a time crunch. My hair is moisturized. Now I'm gonna install my wig. This is a wig I'm using. It's a human hair wig and I really like this wig, you guys. I got it about a week ago and I've been rocking the heck out of this wig. I really like this wig. I don't know how I'm gonna style it, but I'll see. By the way, if you guys see my nails, let me just show you guys how my nails look. So I tried to polish my nails and look how ridiculous this looks. I used to be so good at polishing my nails and now I have no patience. The polish is just basically all over. It's been a while since I got my nails done. I used to get them done on a regular, and now I'm just like, well, but I need to get back into it, honestly, because this ain't it. But I was rushing also because I told you guys party starts at 5:30 and it's already late. And speaking about rushing, I also gonna be eating because I'm gonna eat before I go to a party, because you just never know if the food is gonna be good. So this is what I'm eating. It's I don't know how you call this. Is it a flatbread with avocado? Wait, you guys can't see. Yeah, this is more like it. So it's like a flatbread with avocado. Yum. This is good. I'm kind of debating whether I should apply a wig cap or not. I don't think it's needed. Nah, I just gonna install a wig just like this. Just gonna apply some Got2b glue, the gel along with the spray. I need to get myself some a good wig glue, something that is waterproof also, because it's kind of annoying doing this every day, and you know the Got2b ain't that strong. Do you guys have any recommendation for a good wig glue? I saw this other YouTuber, Erica J. I also follow her on Instagram and on YouTube. She has a line, and her wig glue, I think I need one of those, because doing this every day is kind of annoying. Y'all, I am really rushing because I know I take forever to get ready. Good thing I already have my outfit planned. When it comes to going out, I am so picky when it comes to fashion and the way I look. If you invite me somewhere, do not invite me last minute. I do not deal with last minute plans because I need at least a week in advance to prepare for whatever it is you invited me to. I need to prepare my outfit, I need to prepare my hair, so I can't be spontaneous, y'all. It's just not for me. I remember when I was younger and my friends would invite me places, or we would go places, and if I put on my outfit the day, or just, you know, getting ready, and I did my hair and I put on my outfit and I look myself in the mirror, I'm like, I'm not feeling this, trust and believe I'm staying home. And it used to be so annoying, which I understand because we make plans and everyone is hyped. And last minute I'm like, nah, I'm not going because my outfit is not good. I don't like what I'm wearing. I'm too fat, I'm too skinny, I'm too this. Well, I never used to say I'm too skinny. It's always I'm too fat. But you know, when you're young, you're so insecure about everything. Not saying when you're older you're not insecure about stuff, but the older you get, the more, I don't know, the more you realize those things are petty little stuff. Not saying I'm not insecure sometimes, because we all have it. It's our human nature, but it's not as bad as when I was younger. Let me put it that way. So I'm gonna stick this off camera because I cannot see what I'm doing. I don't have on my glasses and I need to be like this close to the camera, so I'll catch you guys in a minute. We're back. Boom. Wig is installed. I really don't know how to style this wig, y'all. Should I curl it? Should I not? Oh, so many decisions. I'm gonna fix the front of my hair. I don't want to do any baby hairs. I'm not into baby hairs anymore, y'all. I honestly don't mind doing a little swoop, but to do this whole uniform baby hairs going around across my hairline, I'm not into that anymore. I want this wig to look as natural as possible. Well, did it bleach? So I did a video on this wig bleaching the knots, and y'all, the knots did not bleach. And I honestly don't know if the knots on a human hair wig can bleach. I did Google it, and I saw the girlies doing it and it worked for them, but it just didn't bleach. So this birthday party has a dress code and it's pink, one of my favorite colors. I have this blazer from, where did I get it? From ASOS. Oh y'all, it's so nice. Style, curl. You want me to do it? Yeah. Okay. So y'all heard it. Sis suggests I get my hair curled, so I'm gonna get my hair curled. She's gonna do it because I don't know how to curl my hair. While my hair is getting curled, I'm gonna continue fixing my edges and eating my sandwich, and I'll come back. Well, I'm just gonna leave the camera rolling so you guys can see the process. I'm feeling the heat. Oh. Okay y'all, just finished my hair. Love the curls. I still have to fix the front, don't mind that. Right now I'm gonna hop in the shower quick, come back and do my makeup. Don't ask why I didn't shower before I do my hair. I always do things opposite. So I'll go and take a quick shower, come back and do my makeup with you guys. I still have to comb out the curls, but I'll do that when I'm dressed. Doesn't make sense to do it now because I think I'll have to retouch it over again. But see you guys in a bit. I'm back, you guys, and whoo, that was a struggle shower. I was in y'all, I was in a shower like this, looking like a bubble head, going all type of directions, but we made it. The curls are still intact, and I already did my brows because y'all, it's 7:10 and I'm still here. So I'm gonna do my makeup very quick, so I'm not gonna talk much to you guys. I'm using the MAC foundation mixed with a little bit of the Born This Way foundation, and I'm also gonna use the Born This Way concealer mixed with a little bit of Fenty. So my makeup is done, face is beat, hair looking cute. Right now I'm getting dressed. So I'm wearing this trouser from H&M. It's like a silk trouser. I don't know if you guys can really tell the material, but this is what it looks like. And I'm also gonna pair it with a top from H&M, a silk top, which is getting pressed at the moment, so you guys are gonna see it in a minute. And I'm pairing it with this blazer from ASOS. How cute is this? It's like this nice sequence blinged out blazer. I'm just waiting on my top and then we're gonna get dressed. So this is a top I was telling you guys about. It's a silk top, and look at the details on the back. Like, how cute is this? This is sexy, y'all. And for shoes, I'm wearing these shoes I had a while from Public Desire. They are just neutral shoes. So let's get dressed. Those are the earrings I'm wearing. Just nice gold hoops. Fragrance I'm using is Jimmy Choo. This is the one, and I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of Coco Chanel. So last I have this little purse, and this goes so perfect with my top. Y'all remember the chain on my top? This little purse, and this is it, you guys. This is the fit. I'm gonna show you guys the whole thing in a minute, but I'm ready. So you guys, this is the fit. I really love how this outfit came together. My hair is popping, makeup is on. I'm late. It's after 9. I have to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.